All right, y'all. We're back with another average club review. So today we got the 0211 and the 0211 xcor 2. Now the main purpose of this review is to see what's the difference from year to year. Like, I also have a Sim 2 and a Stealth. You know, brought out year after year after year. So I'm really curious if there are improvements year by year, or if we are just wasting our money, just trying to get the new flashy toys. I'm very curious if technology changes in a year or two with irons. I know in the drivers, a lot of technology's put and moving weights around and stuff like that. And the irons, they do have the the speed foam inside, and there is technology, but how much can the technology change from year to year? So we're going to be hitting the 6 iron. Got the Cypher shaft in both of them, so it should be a good comparison. Let's get it. I'm excited for this one. Here we go. So here are the 0211s. Here's the 0211 xcor 2. We got the 0211 on the shaft. We have a Cypher shaft in both. The only difference is we got a little thicker. We got the mid-size grip on the xcor 2, and on the original we just have a regular Golf Pride. I'm going to be hitting my 6 because I have the same shaft in both clubs, so we'll get a real close comparison. So let's get after it. I'm really curious to see the difference in these numbers. All right, let's get after it. Let's start with the classic 0211. So I'm going to hit 10 shots. I'm going to use a TP5, just a regular TP5, and then we'll compare spins, we'll compare carry distance, and overall distance. So I have the 0211 set up on the 6 iron. I'm going to put that xcor 2 on the 7 iron, and then we'll do our comparisons. So let's hit some shots. .187 carry, run out 205, pulled left. All right. That should be more down the line, yeah. What we got here for distance? 202. It's a pretty good 6 iron. Can't complain. 127 ball speed. Okay, I'm going to hit 5. Hold that one. Still, we're out there, 188. Still not bad. Normally I carry my 6 iron about 186. So this is right in range. Pulled again. We got on that one. 205 carry. Not bad, not bad. All right, last one. Then we'll go to the xcor 2. Oh, I hit that thin. Caught it thin, miss hit. It's all right. Okay, so now we are going to make the shift into the xcor 2. So let's change this up. change this to 7 iron. Come on, let's take a look here. Oh, they feel so good. That's one thing, is just they feel so good. Looking at 207 carry, 228 run out. I don't know. Oh, caught that one thin. All right. Oh, that's real short. Look. So now the thin one on the 0211 carried once up. The same thing. You know what? I think these are the same clubs. Oh, I chunked that one. You can't do a club review if you can't hit a good shot. Scratch that one. I was thinking about some stuff in my brain about whether how many people are wasting money purchasing clubs year after year after year. Okay, that was a better shot. 201 straight. Wow. We've got like an extra 15 yards distance off of from my stealths. That's going to be left, and then about 189 carry. 188, yeah, 189 carry. Oh, 191 carry. See, I didn't even hit that good, and I'm still carrying at 190. You know, that's a pretty good 6 iron, huh? But they feel sweet. They feel really sweet. Oh, thin shot. So thin shot, miss hit, still 206 carry. And that was with the xcor 2. Wow. Impressed. Now let's go here. Let's take a look at the shots now. So now we're looking at let's see here. Here's the 7 iron. There's the 6 iron. Okay, so for the 0211s, we got a average carry of 191, total yardage 210, spin, where are you? So it's got a smash factor of 149. Good. Where's my spin here? And 38-31 spin, which would probably make out for why it rolls out so much. So now let's take a look, and that's the 0211. Let's take a look here. This is the xcor. Okay, so our carry with the xcor, is actually, well, that's because of this one here. And I carried it one on, let's take that out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we got a carry of 195. So a little longer. Rollout of 214. Spin 40-49, which is better. Got a launch angle of 15 degrees. Our ball speed is at speed. Well, that's the club speed. So we're swinging at 86, 84 on the 0211. So 86 miles per hour is going 200 yards carry. That's pretty impressive, if you ask me. So if you were to ask me, based off of these numbers, the xcor 2 do feel a little sweeter when you hit them. They do. But the O211s feel like butter. But this just feels like just a little bit better. I find I got a little more control, believe it or not, with the O211 xcor 2. So my final review, before obviously we're going to have to take this to the course, see what it's like on the course, but difference between the two, it's like this. Like, I don't even know if it's worth, like, maybe if you got the say you buy an O211, maybe wait till they come out with, wait 3 years, 4 years. Let technology advance before you start, because technically they're like $1,000 per set, right? Luckily that I've been have it sent to me, but $1,000 per set, changing every year, and that's just the irons, not to count the driver, the putter, wedges. Wedges you should change, yeah, but your irons, you should be able to have your irons in your bag for a few years. Consistency, comfortable. So, do I recommend the O211s? Yes. Do I recommend the O211 xcor 2s? Yes. If I was going to purchase them, personally, I would purchase the xcor 2 just because they are the newer club. But you can't go wrong. If you're getting a discount on the O211s, you can't go wrong with those clubs. Beautiful clubs. Feel sweet. I find overall PXG's irons feel really nice. I really don't like the woods, but I really like the irons. I haven't tested their wedges. Maybe I can do that next. But as for now, PXG irons, I give it 9 out of 10. PXG woods, give it 2 out of 10. xcor 2s, fabulous, feel sweet. O211s are great. If you can get them at a discount, I suggest you pick them up. You won't be wrong. So thanks for joining me. We out.